Hello dear student. Today start from the chapter number 8. Your chapter number 8 name is mapping your way. Okay, now to start from the today new topic. Your today new topic is the central hexagon. Okay, now see the first of all the meaning of hexagon. It means that the number of six sides, definitely six sides. Why six sides? The word of hexa. It means that it means what? This is our six sides. The word of hexagon. It means what? Here will be six sides. Okay. Now if we zoom in to look more closely at the one part of the map, it look like this. Okay, now see, this is the map is already given to you. Okay, now by using the map we have to solve the one by one example. First of all, see the India gate, and this is our India gate. This is our hexagon. Now we have to count the total number of sides. This is our total number of sides. It means what? This is our 6, and the number of sides is for 6, and this is our type of polygon is what? Hexagon. The number of sides are 5, definitely is a pentagon. Heptagon, it means that it has the total number of sides are 7, and the octagon has the number of sides are 8. Okay, this is our so simple things about the types of polygon and the number of a side. Okay, now listen here, this is our map is already given to you, and this is our India gate, and this is our national stadium. Okay, now see is the one by one we have to discussing it. Now we have to the right hand side. This is the children park. Okay, Shahjahan Road, Mansik Road, Akbar Road, and this is the top level. This is the Janpat, Rajpath, and again Mansingh Road. Okay, next Ashoka Road. Here will be Kasturba Gandhi Mark. Okay, Tilak Mark, Purana Kila Road. Okay, this is our all our India gates. This is our map about the India gate. Okay, now to start from the next one. Now look at this the shape of the yellow area, and have you seen this shape before? How many sides that does it have? Now listen here. In the last obvious video, this shape actually I already discussed. Okay, and look at this shape of the yellow area. Now this is our yellow area is already given to you. This is our hexagon because I already discussed. Here will be hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, and have you seen this shape before? Okay, definitely I already seen in the last obvious video. Okay, and how many sides does it have? Okay, definitely your answer will be coming here. Yes, I have seen this shape before. Okay, and it has a 6 sides. Why 6 sides? Because this is a hexagon, and hexagon has a 6 side, and this type of place is called as a central hexagon. Okay, now let's start from the next one question. Your next one question is what? Find out from the map. By using the map we have to solve this question. Find out from the map. If you are walking on the Rajpath, then after India gate, on which side would children park be? Okay, once again I repeated this question. If you are walking on the Rajpath, then after India gate, on which side would children park be? Okay, now listen here. This is our map. By using the map we have to the solve this question. Okay, now see, this is our India gate. Okay, now we have to the your question is what? If you are walking on the Rajpath, then after India gate, on which side would will be a children park be? This is our children park, and the children park is that definitely will become in the right hand side. Okay, it means that your answer is what? Is walking on the Rajpath, then after India gate, the children park is on the right side. Okay, by using the map you have to the solve this question. Okay, this is all about walking on the Rajpath, then after India gate, the children park is on the right hand side. Okay, by using the map. Now let's start from the next one question. Which of this road make the biggest angle between them? First of all, the biggest angle. Okay, in the last OBS video I already discussed the types of angle. This is a types of angle. It means what? This is our acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. Okay, this is our acute angle. We have to define from the 0 to 90 degree, definitely less than 90 degree, and this is the type of angle is called as acute angle. Next one is what? Right angle. An angle is exactly 90 degree, and this is type of angle is called as a right angle. And the third one thing is what? This is obtuse angle. An angle is our measuring in between the 90 to 180 degree, and this is the define of the obtuse angle. This is all our types of angle. We have to define from the measuring angle, depend upon the measuring angle. Okay, your question is what? Which of these road make the biggest angle between them? Your options are given to you. Mansingh Road, Shahjahan Road, Ashoka Road, and the Mansingh Road. And third one is a Janpat and Rajpat. Now by using these three options, we have to obtain this answer. Okay, now we have to see the first of all the this three angle is already given to you. Now the one by one we have to check it. Okay, now this is our angle in between. We have to obtain the biggest angle. Now clearly by using the map, we have to show that the biggest angle is what? It will be Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road. Now see, this is our map. Your map has a three angles are given to you. Here will be a Mansingh Road, here will be Shahjahan Road. Next one is the Janpat and Rajpath, and the third one is a Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road. Okay, it means that we have to obtain the biggest angle for a first one. Biggest angle is what? Here will be Mansingh Road and the Ashoka Road. It means that your final answer is what? It means your final answer is what? Here will be Ashoka Road and the Mansingh Road is the biggest angle between them. Okay. And the next one, smallest is what? Here will be a Mansingh Road and the Shahjahan Road. And the third one, the last one is what? Here will be Janpat and the Rajpath. This is our biggest, smallest, and then we have to smallest. Okay, now see, we start from the, it means that your second one option is definitely correct. Which of these road make the biggest angle between them? This is the second one option is correct. Definitely here will be Ashoka Road and the Mansingh Road. Okay, now let's start from the third one question. This is the third one question is what? Which of the above pair of road cut at the right angle? Okay, I already discussed the types of angle, and which pair of the road cut at the right angle. The word of right angle, it means that we have to measuring the angle is are exactly 90 degree. Okay, it means that by using the above pair, here will be pair is already given to you. This is our Mansingh Road and the Shahjahan Road. Second one is the Ashoka Road and the Mansingh Road, and the third one is the Janpat and the Rajpath. Okay, by using this three pair, we have to obtain the right angle. Now just we have to check it. Okay, now out of the three pair, which one pair is the correct? Now see the first one. This is our Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. No, this is not a right angle. Second one is the Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road. This is not a right angle. Why? Because this is our obtuse angle and then this is our 90 to 180 degree. Okay, but your question is what? We have to obtain the out of the three pair, we have to obtain the right angle. Okay, exactly 90 degree. Okay, and the last one is what? Here will be Janpat and the Rajpat is the correct answer. This is our exactly 90 degree angle. Okay, now see, this is our 90 degree angle. It means that your answer is what? Definitely here will be a Janpat and the Rajpat cut at the right angle. This is our right angle. It means that your right angle is what? Is exactly 90 degree. Okay, this is our general information about the chapter number 8. This is our mapping your way, and today is a very interesting topic is what? The central hexagon. Okay, the word of hexagon I already discussed, and the second one things This is our types of angle, and this question is a so simple question. By using the map we have to solve this question. Okay, I hope everyone student understood the concept of the central hexagon, and by using the map we have to obtain these questions and answers. Okay, and the next topic start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.